How does spin affect serve placement consistency in table tennis? Have you ever wondered how spin can change the game of table tennis, especially when it comes to serve placement consistency? Let's break down how different spins impact your serves and overall gameplay. Spin is a game changer in table tennis. It affects the ball's trajectory, bounce, and how well your opponent can predict and return your serve. There are four main types of spin: topspin, backspin, sidespin, and combinations of these. Each type influences the ball's behavior in unique ways, which can help you develop consistency in your serves. Starting with topspin, this spin causes the ball to dip faster and bounce higher. When you apply topspin, your serves can land deep on the table, making it tough for your opponent to return. However, to keep your serves consistent, you need precise timing and control over your stroke. If you can master this, you can reliably place your serves near the end of the table. Next up is backspin. This type of spin makes the ball float more slowly and bounce lower. A backspin serve can stop or even slightly reverse direction after hitting the table. This is perfect for short serves that land close to the net, making it challenging for your opponent to attack. However, achieving consistent placement with backspin requires fine control. You want to avoid sending the ball long or into the net. Now, let's talk about sidespin. This spin adds lateral movement to the ball, causing it to curve in the air and break sideways after hitting the table. This unpredictability can throw off your opponent's timing. But to place your serve accurately with sidespin, you need refined stroke mechanics and a consistent racket angle. Targeting specific areas of the table becomes more challenging but rewarding. Advanced players often combine spins, like side backspin or side topspin. These combinations increase the complexity of the ball's path, making it harder for opponents to read your serves. However, they also demand a higher level of skill to maintain consistent placement. You have to control multiple spin axes at once. To master spin effects on serve placement consistency, focus on a few key practices. First, develop precise racket angles and contact points to produce the intended spin. This helps maintain control while serving. Second, practice varied spin serves to understand how each type affects ball behavior. Adjust your serve speed and placement based on what you learn. Lastly, use spin to disguise your serves. When your opponent cannot anticipate your placement, it improves your chances of consistent serves. In summary, spin significantly affects serve placement consistency by altering the ball's flight path and bounce characteristics. While it can make your serves more effective, it also requires a higher skill level to maintain precise placement during play. By mastering the types of spin and their effects, you can develop a more consistent serve that keeps your opponents guessing.